Welcome to my Amazon Masterclass. In this class today, we will tell you about the most seems difficult, but it's quite interesting. And if you really, I believe you, me, if you really master of this, or if you even have some intermediate knowledge of this, your life will be very easy. Especially if you are dealing with multiple lesson, or you are managing, or you are the seller of the big store in Amazon. So I'm talking about none other than the flat file. Yes, the flat file name is in Amazon horizon, where the whether it be seller or the VA, everyone is generally avoid, if because frankly speaking, if you can do, or if you are managing only one or two or 5 to 10 SN, then generally there's no need to go with that. It's still that is useful, but generally people do avoid because there's some complication. But now today we will see the how many ways we can use this, what is the main function of that, and what are the problem generally people face. So okay, here's a Seller Central, the UK, and we directly go to the without any wasting of more time. And if you are new to this channel, this your Amazon One Source learning and sharing platform, and you will find very short videos with to the point and very effective one. So go to if you want number one, if you want to edit or delete, or you want some portion of any existing SKU to a file or as an update, this is a way. So just go to the menu and go to the catalog and go to the add product via upload. It seemed different. Even you're not going to upload. You actually want to edit the product, but first you have to go to this steps. Number one, go, then go to download a spreadsheet. Okay, and then directly go to the get product template. Okay, click on this, and this is a message you have to read, but I know about what is that, so go directly to product template, right? And now decide which market you are in. For example, if you're in USA or UK, whatever that. For example, if you go to amazon.com, then and this step, you should know about what your product is, exactly what your like search node of that category. For example, you are want to update your um, like kitchen accessories or your set of spoon. So you can just write spoon set here and search. Once you press search, then there will be different number of different categories will be appear, and the Amazon will suggest you to select anything. So you just read carefully what is that. First is home and kitchen, dining, flatware set, stick set. No, it's not. Stick set is a spoon set. Okay. So move on. A spoon is it's a dessert spoon or the normal spoon. It's a normal spoon. Okay. Maybe it's a soup spoon. Okay. So our spoon is serving side is simple spoon set, so we can go down and cooking spoons. And what is that? We can go into where? Yes, is spoon. If you say if you think is like teaspoon, you can either you can listen this kitchen tools, which is very big or very good category, or you can go into the if your spoon is teaspoon type set, you can select this. Okay, once you select it, so don't worry, this is your product. The step which we are looking is addition or update of any existing SKU. Okay, don't be confused because some seems to be very confusing because initially when you're going to update, you look for your product already should be there. The SN should be there. There should be some like search field which search your SN and then download the data. But in this step flat file method, you have to just select the category or that search node. Okay, this is spoon. Okay, then select it. Go to again selection of market, some sort of duplicate. But if you write okay Amazon.com already there, so if you want to add other markets, so you can add. And then and if you want to like global selling some sort of that, if not, then go to generate template. Okay, template is generated and downloaded. Okay, here you go. So here you go. You will find this this Excel sheet which where have number of different tabs, number of instructions. Very good instruction. We'll cover today what instruction is. Images, example, data definition, template, blocks data, and whatever that. So go one by one. First, be careful. Your target is updation or editing of the existing SKU, so you can just go to that. So just go to sections, and I will share with you an example, very good, a very precise example given in the Amazon, by the Amazon in this format. So just like go down and example tab, and what is your, yes, so your scenario is example, go, and your scenario is partial update or existing product. Okay, your scenario is this, right? Exactly. Example six. Your example partial update means you want to change the like some description change, some you want to add or delete bullet or whatever the some dimension change, or you want to some like weight. So this is the criteria. So for example, there is example. If your product is shirt, so this is all example here, right? What we do, we will do, we'll copy this and for just example, okay. I copy this, okay. Just go to the template. This is the main file where you want to add data, where you have to add data, okay. And be careful, you are just adding and just you just want to add or update the data. So here, for example, your product type is spoon because you're already selected the you already selected the spoon. Seller SKU, for example, this will be you can like found in your already listed product. So for example, your SKU is a spoon X2123. Brand name is ABC. Update, delete what do you want to that, partial update, okay. If you want to update whole document, then you can go the update, and if with this you can delete this the file as well, but I will not recommend you to use this delete function unless until you want to close your Amazon account or you 100% doubly sure of that. So we will change the partial update. Then we'll go to product name. For example, your product name is ABC spoon, teaspoon set. Then go to product description. ABC spoon set of six, golden color, golden color. Then manufacturer, if you are the brand owner and your manufacturer, you mention here. and go to product ID type. Product ID type is that if you click on this, product ID type is, for example, you selecting the SN and your product SN is B0987YU4. Okay, and item type keywords, you can skip this all. And you want to change the, for example, dimension, just go to dimension, right? For example, you want to change display dimension depth is centimeter, and just go to the data. Mhm. You want to change some dimensional thing, or you just, for example, click on the dimension side, on and click this one. Just click on, sorry, dimension. Okay, so you can want to change the item height. For example, your item height is now 20 centimeter, item length is 10 centimeter, and uh, an item length, you know, what again centimeter. Okay, and then item width, you want to change width is 25 centimeter, right? And item display diameter is again centimeter. Once you completed this, just save this file with any name you want, which you can remember. Just click on the file, then save as, go to your favorite place in the document area, then your teaspoon, and then save as. Okay, so at this stage, I just give you again a quick, just you download the template with the selection, with the type of your product, with the exact more close most close searching node, and then fill the data. And you, in this demo, we want to change the dimensions like display item height, so we change, and we just change, write the new one, we will not telling what the old one, and then save, and will not add anything. And one more most important thing, that you should update type update partial update. Okay, not full update. Done. Then save again. Right. After this, again the start catalog, add product via upload, and this time you will go to upload your spreadsheet. Okay, and go to that, and this, here we go. So this is the simple method through you can easily update your existing product. So this is whether it's one product, whether it's 100 SKU, or maybe you have 500 SKU, you can easily go that. So thank you for watching, and subscribe this channel if you want really fastest and newest thing in the Amazon and the most